Welcome back to another tutorial, guys. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make your own custom mob in Advanced Maker. So the download link is under the comment pin. Now we're gonna quit Minecraft, and if you download download MEM and open it up. Few seconds to load. Now you're gonna click plus button and scroll down and pick a mob you like. Mine is bat because I am scared of that. You can edit or change your mob. So you can edit the change can change the skin. So 3D opens up the block bench. So we're not gonna use that. Oh, okay. You're gonna click this create mob and click edit. Oh my god. Okay. The first one, you're gonna edit the name. So and you can change the colors. So colors of the egg. You can change the loot, animation, reset, click check, spawn rules, materials, rules, sound, knockback resistant. You can edit the experience you want. You can edit size. You can you can uh you can turn on boss or turn off. Now if you scroll down and breathe, you can edit breathe style in your mob. Now you can edit burn in daylight. You can change the float duration, load control. You can edit the control. You can edit the speed. And if you scroll down here, you can see attack. So if you want to create your mob to if you want to create a mob, if you want to attack you or attack mob, so damage turn on or turn off. Mine is turn on because I gonna change that. Melee attack, track target, range attack. You can turn on and turn off range attack, but I'm not gonna using that. These three. behaviors. Avoid other mobs. Allows this entity to avoid certain mob type as you define in the list below. Leave a target. Open door. You can turn on or turn off open door. Water float. Turn on that. And you can tame if you turn on tamed. If you export the mob and tame that, you can tame that. Crafting, you can craft that. And if you are done, you're gonna click this check button and click these two arrows. The first one is up, the second one is down. Click that and you can choose your picture to add on name. Put your one. Select this to 100 and turn on all of these. If you are done, you're gonna click this check button again and click import to game. Click Minecraft. But if you have no FB file manager, auto open Minecraft. Okay. Now you're gonna click play. It's done. And click this pencil icon and click resources pack and find your add-on, and if you found it, you're gonna click activate and behavior pack activate and turn on all of this experimental gameplay. And if you are done of that, you're gonna click play. Oh. Now you're gonna open your inventory and find that you can find that in this icon here, and you can also you you gonna you can click this chicken icon egg and click this click your mouse and the first person here, and you're gonna spawn this mob. Okay, no textures because I I don't have textures, so that's we need to this tutorial. And in my first stream, click that live button in my channel and click 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 the thumbnail is my first stream. Click that thumbnail and that live is minutes because nobody watches that because that is private. So corruptions and what and WTF because I selected private life and somebody comment to me. Okay, stop yeah. And see you later, French fries.